PC versus console, an old age rivalry between gamers for ages. Some go for consoles while some go for PCs. Some say one is better while some fight for both sides. So today we've decided to take a break from this rivalry and solve this weird and confusing mystery once and for all. This is PC versus console and you're watching TechBlur. PC gaming has been a fan favorite since the introduction of high-end GPUs from AMD and Nvidia. This has pushed many people to fall into the world of computers and pursue their gaming needs. And they are rightfully so. I mean, how could you refuse that sweet 60 FPS and especially the RGB on your shiny keyboard, mouse, cases, and whatnot? Also, now as technology has progressed, the uses and power of PCs have increased drastically. Now people don't just use PCs for gaming, but also for productivity purposes. Also, a good PC might last a long time compared to a console, which might just give up on you after a few years of heavy gaming and might need to be repaired. PCs are now more useful for gaming compared to before, with the addition of new drivers and software support from software and GPU manufacturers. And now, many games in PCs support the use of certain branded GPUs, and this in turn helps a lot in gaming, as it acts in optimizing the game, thus making the game much better to play on the PC. But that doesn't end there. The use of DirectX and other software have been a major influence in PC gaming. Also, PCs have one great advantage over consoles, and that is its parts. Similar to a console or any other machine ever made, a PC is also composed of many parts. But what makes a PC stand out over a console is that you can change its parts and make your own gaming configuration according to your own needs. So even if you buy a cheaper GPU or a processor, you can always upgrade in the future. This in turn helps compete with the vast growing technology out there today. And when's the last time you've heard someone opening a console to upgrade it? But with that being said, PCs can be a bit heavy on your pocket as it may cost you a bit more than a console to get almost the same experience. But how can we forget one thing? And that is the graphics of both PCs and consoles. One thing is for sure. You can play games with better graphics than consoles if you have a powerful enough gaming PC. This is one of the main arguments in favor of PC gaming, as the hardware inside a gaming PC can far outperform the parts in a console like the Xbox One or a PlayStation 4. As a result, games on the PC can be played with better graphics settings to higher levels, as well as played at higher, smoother frame rates than a console. But with that being said, gaming PCs that outperform consoles can surely come at a higher price. A great gaming PC for 1080p resolution screens, the same resolution that the PlayStation 4 original Xbox One and the Xbox One S can support, can cost anywhere north of $500 compared to the $250 price tag of the consoles. A gaming PC suddenly doesn't seem so much tempting. But again, better graphics, smoother gameplay are available if you are willing to pay. And at the same time, you save your money in the long run when you play on PC, as you'll see next. One more factor that separates the PC from consoles is the Steam game platform. Steam is a platform where, among other things, you can browse, buy, and launch your games, and it's better than the stores on Xbox One and the PlayStation. For one, game sales are superior on Steam. During a sale, you can get older games for a significant discount compared to console stores. Also, you don't have to pay to play multiplayer games on PC and you save your money on the long run. Things like PlayStation Plus accounts, 3 months membership, 12 months membership make things difficult for console gamers. To play multiplayer games on console, you have to sign up for the paid Xbox Live and PlayStation Network services, depending on which console you own. PC gamers don't need to pay to play online games. For a year of service, an Xbox Live Gold or a PlayStation Plus membership costs $60. That may seem like a trivial annual expense, but it builds up over the years. After paying $60 for 5 years or more membership to either service, you would have paid $300. That's the money you could have spent on a PC graphics card upgrade as well. Consoles, on the other hand, don't have the upgradability factor, but it doesn't seem like a very big issue. See, here's why. A console, unlike a PC, doesn't have many functions to run, and its primary goal is just to run games and maybe browse the web, but not that much, and that's about it. So when manufacturers make a console, they design it with such a configuration that is apt and can run almost every new game. But how is this possible? Well, it's not possible, but what makes it possible are the game developers and the companies that make the games. You might often see that when a new gaming title is released, it is first launched on consoles and then PCs in most cases. So the developers mainly focus on console gamers, so they optimize the games in such a way that the game will be able to run smoothly on any console, whether it be a PS4 or even an Xbox. So console gamers don't have to worry about facing lag even when running heavier gaming titles. So the titles will run 100% smoothly without facing any issues. But here's the catch. Unlike a PC, the console you can use for gaming will not give you the chance to, say, edit a video or even write a note if you want to. Also, you may feel that a console will be much more efficient financially, and in your own defense, it's correct. But do remember that in the long term, a PC will surely outrun a console without any doubt. And you might not also get that high FPS gaming experience. But now, with that being said, consoles are now also becoming more powerful, and many consoles now support 4K HDR as well. So, you can get a sharper and crisper gaming experience. Also, the support that a console will give your game is truly unlike a PC. Once you've bought your system, you will always look forward to run games, and both PCs and consoles offer you certain advantages. While console discs are more easily accessible, it may not be true for PC games. PC gamers now mostly rely on online services like Steam and other methods, but console gamers can get online services as well. And while both online methods for both platforms have deals and offers, many would say that PC gamers benefit from it. The reason being there are more sales since PCs have separate gaming services that cater to the customer just for their games. But console gamers don't get much advantage all year long since mostly the games are provided by the manufacturer's label, but consoles have one big advantage that can surely defeat a PC, and that is console-specific games. There are many games that are designed just for consoles and don't have the opportunity to appear on PCs. Some examples of such games are God of War, Red Dead Redemption, The Last of Us, and many more titles. So in such cases, PC gamers might just lose the fight. In conclusion, both PC and consoles have their own highs and lows, but at the end of the day, you have to choose one. So which one would you choose and why? Let us know in the comments below, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now, click the bell icon. And don't forget to like and share the video with your friends. Links to all our social media platforms are in the description, so you can definitely check them out. Till then, is bye for now.